I'm out here in the sunflower garden and I want to show you all the different varieties of sunflowers that you can grow at your home. You want to plant them when it's well after your last frost and it's nice and warm outside. So the beginning of summer is when we like to plant ours, so around the first part of June. You want to plant them about a ½ inch to an inch deep is all. And it's great if your soil is fertilized with compost. And while those seeds are germinating, you want to keep the soil moist. After the sunflowers are established, then they don't need as much water as they do when the seeds are germinating. They can be very forgiving if I forget to water or it hasn't rained in a while. And I'm right here in front of our mixed variety, which is all the sunflower varieties mixed in one packet. You've got all the fun different colors, the heights of the sunflowers, or you can also buy your favorite one individually in a packet and grow just the ones that you want to grow. So we have lots of options, which I think is nice for your personal choice and preference in your garden. The nice thing about sunflowers is that they don't attract any pests, so there's nothing really attacking your plant and eating it, but they bring in all the good pollinators, the bees, the butterflies, and that is something that you want to have in your garden. And not only are sunflowers beautiful, but they produce seeds, which are nice for the birds, and also the mammoth variety produces big seeds that you can roast and eat, which is fun. And the birds love any of the sunflowers. They'll come along and eat the seeds and just have a heyday in your garden. In the late summer and fall, we will just leave the sunflowers out in the garden. As the sunflowers mature, the birds will come along and eat as many seeds as they want. And of course, the birds are gonna knock some of those seeds on the ground and you're gonna have sunflowers coming up next year. So I don't even know if we would have to plant all these next year. We will get lots of volunteers. So sunflowers come in two varieties. You've got your ones that have a single stem and a big head at the top, like this one. This is the sunspot. Or you've got the varieties that have multiple heads on the stem. And I actually like these for flower arrangements because they're a nice size for a bouquet. They're not too big. You get lots of color and lots of heads. You know you have a beautiful flower when you plant the lemon queen. I mean, look at this color. I love the pale lemon color of the lemon queen. It's just a favorite of mine because you get so many flowers on each plant, which is fun. And this one right here is Autumn Beauty, and it's the colors of autumn. It's just red and orange and yellow, and they kind of fade out. This is a fun fall color. If you love the fall colors, I would definitely recommend growing this variety for the autumn colors. And this beauty is the Chocolate Beauty. As you can see, these are a deep, deep reddish brown, and they are so gorgeous. I love the multiple heads that you get on this flower, and it's a really tall variety in the garden. That's why I cut it down so I could show you it better. But it's just gorgeous. I will definitely grow this one every year. And take a look at the biggest sunflower, the mammoth sunflower. This is one that you can grow for a big seed head if you want to roast the seeds and harvest. And it's also just super tall, as you can see above me. This is a variety that I love to grow with kids because they love to see how tall it can get. And so if you have young children, definitely grow the mammoth, and then you can roast the seeds with them in the fall. I love the Mexican sunflower because of its bright red and orange flowers. It has so much foliage, it just fills in the garden and you get so many blooms at the top of this plant. This is one that you could use in flower arrangements as well, but I just like to leave it out in the garden for the pollinators. And this variety right here is the Paradovic, and this variety matures early. As you can see, it's kind of almost done. It's forming seeds inside, and it's kind of tipping its head over. This one is on its way out. And this one right here is the Sunspot. And I love this one because you get a nice big head with bright yellow petals around. It grows on a really sturdy stem and it holds up so nicely. This one's a nice height. It's not too tall, so it's easy to reach. It's like a medium height sunflower with just so much color in your garden. And this gorgeous beauty is the red velvet. I mean, look at that color. If you're looking for unique color sunflowers with that deep red color, this is one that you'll want to grow. Don't overlook the simplicity of growing sunflowers. They are worth the space in your garden. They bring in the pollinators, they add a lot of beauty. They're just really fun to grow and they're easy to grow. We have all these beautiful varieties that you can find on our website. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe.